Congratulations, Shelby. Thank you.
Okay, so number 11, where are your asymptotes at? Still, the asymptotes are not gonna change yet.
Oh, yeah, this
I
is.
know, I had to tell you that. That's why, get good at this right now. This is as easy as it's gonna get.
This is pretty easy.
I know. Okay, this is a -2 tan. So a negative tangent's gonna look like a tangent.
Hey,
It's gonna go 2 up, 2 down. 2 up. I'll let you know.
yeah,
Can you do it tomorrow?
that's what negative tangent is.
Huh?
Yes.
Will you be able to do it tomorrow?
Take out cotangent one way, so negative cotangent is that.
Say it again? Oh, I forgot to type. Thank you, Hannah. You go, girl.
You gotta erase it off.
It's you.
What?
That's what you showed.
Okay, I would change my scale. I would make this 1 and make this -1. Where are your asymptotes? 0, pi, 2 pi, negative pi, negative 2 pi. And this is gonna be a 1/2, but it looks like a negative. So these are -1, these are 1/2s right here. Good? Ready for the next one? Number 13. You're gonna start at up to, actually, let's put our asymptotes in first. 0, pi, 2 pi, all the pi's are, all the, one pi, 2 pi, -1 pi, -2 pi. Now, this is gonna be a shift 2 units up. And we're gonna be 3 units off the x-axis. But remember, it looks like a negative slope. So they look like this. Good? Next one, cotangent, pi, 0 pi, 2 pi, 1 unit down, And it's a negative cotangent, so it's gonna look like a tangent. With a steepness of 1. Is everyone good with 14?
Yes.
How would you do 15? Without,
Scale it by 1/4.
you would go what?
Scale it.
Scale it by 1/4. Good job, Robbie. That's exactly what I would do. I would scale it by 1/4. So each of these is gonna be a fourth, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this is gonna be 1 right here. And then this is gonna be -1. Does that make sense? So each of these are a quarter. So now, when you do your new x-axis, and your asymptotes are at pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and it's a quarter down, as long as I understand your scale, you're okay. And it's this is a hard one. You're gonna go, it's a quarter up and a quarter down, but it's a negative tangent, so it's gonna look like that. That's your easiest thing to do, is to change the scale on that one. Otherwise, it's gonna be really hard to read. I think I'd probably change well, you don't have to change your scale, but you can. You wanna change it?
Yeah.
Asymptotes are at pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. Now, we're gonna make these, this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, -1, so -1/2 is right here. And it's a -2 tangent, so here are your zeros. And -2 tangent, each of these are half. So that would be 1, and that would be 2. Right there. So each of these are a half, you guys, so that's 1, and that's 2. So in between here, that's 1, and that would be 1. That's a hard one to draw. It's kind of goofy. How's yours? It's, yeah, it's kind of hard. Do the best you can. Okay, number 17, 2 more, we're done. What are you gonna do here? What are your asymptotes? 0, pi, 2 pi, -pi, -2 pi. Now, it's 2 up. Now, this not amplitude, I keep saying amplitude, it's steepness of 2, so you're gonna go 2 up here and 2 up here. One more. Last one. Asymptotes are at pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, negative pi over 2, 2 down, and it's gonna be a negative slope with the steepness of 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Did you get this one? Do you guys understand this? Yeah?